Galaxy Note 9 is here, and like all Galaxy Note devices above, one of the highlights of Note 9 is what separates it from most other smartphones, the S Pen. This time, Samsung is updating the S Pen in a big way. It is adding Bluetooth Low Energy, converting the stylus from a simple accessory to take notes and a full remote control for your phone. As the original rumors suggest, the addition of Bluetooth adds a ton of new tricks to the S Pen. You can use it as a remote camera shutter, a remote presentation with Samsung DeX, and for music controls. Pressing and holding the button opens the camera by default, but that shortcut can be customized to start any application that users want. Samsung says it will open the new Bluetooth features of the S Pen for developers later this year. The extra functionality means that the new S Pen consumes more power, but Samsung has an intelligent solution for that. When using supercapacitors, the S Pen can be recharged in the phone in less than a minute and lasts half an hour. It will still work like a regular stylus even when the stylus dies as well. The idea is that users never have to think about managing the life of the battery in the pen, which is smart.